Hello and welcome to Loot100.com. It is India's first online quizzing portal that has changed the way India participates in quiz contests. Here you can buy coupons from a varied range of options available and get the chance to win exciting prizes like laptops, tablets, mobiles, cars, and many more other prizes by entering into online quiz for free. Before participating into Loot 100 contest, one has to register with us via Facebook account or Google Plus account. If you are a new user, click on sign up and enter your details into the given form. Else, click on sign in button and enter your login details here. Now, after login, you will be redirected to your Loot 100 account page. Here you can view all the details about your profile like previous contest, your current available balance, coupon list, previous contest and many more. Now for buying coupons, simply drag your mouse to the over the coupons tab here and select your desired coupons from the options category and click on coupons which you want to buy. Now you will see the cart page here. After selecting the quantity, continue shopping if you want to shop more, else proceed to checkout. After that, you will now see the user detail page. Select from the multiple payment options and enter the corresponding details here. Click on submit them. Now, then you can verify your details and make the changes if you have any. Then you would be redirected to the payment gateway page. Once you make the payment, after the confirmation, you would be redirected to your Loot 100 account. Here you can see my coupon list which having the details for the coupons which you have bought so far. Well, this is the coupon printout which you need to announce at the time of redemption. Now with the help of bonus points, enter the desired contest from the given categories. For example, laptop contest is here. To participate, click on enter now and answer the following questions for the contest. For proceeding, give final confirmation by clicking on yes. Every contest requires minimum number of participation. Once that bar is met, the closing date of the contest will be declared. From all the correct answers, system filters out the wrong answers and randomly select the winners for an unbiased decision. The winner gets the choice of selecting the prize from the options available here, which is then delivered to the winner's doorstep after verification and depending on the shipping conditions applicable. So that was all about Loot 100 and how it works. We hope this video would have made the participation process a bit easier for you. Wish you all the luck for the contest and hope to see you soon.